Hello. Now we are going to see how to make the simplest of machines. For that, first you will require a motor, a bidirectional motor, you could say, or battery. Then this is called a caster wheel. Then a simple eye stick, or you can call it a popsicle stick, and two sets of wheel which fits this motor. This is the simplest of vehicle that we are going to see, and also you will need a glue gun to join all of these. Okay, so the simplest of thing is how to connect this battery to this. Is you see there's a negative sign and there's a positive side, and you can see the connectors are different. So you connect this way and the motor starts running, as you can see. Okay, so we're gonna make the simplest of machines. For that, first what you could do is, this is used as a support. Since we are using only one motor, we'll need a support. Your machine would look something like this, and then the two wheels would go here. Okay, so let's start sticking it all together. Just hold it there for about a minute or two so that it sticks to that point. Okay, next we're gonna stick this motor this way. It's a good practice to see which way the motor would move so that we could do it properly. So you see there's a, have to fit it properly. Yeah, and then you could run and see which direction the motor would move. Okay, it moves front. Okay, so we could glue it this way. Okay, hold it there for a minute. Okay, so now that's almost ready. Okay, we'll keep place for this battery too. Okay, you can stick this here. And voila, our vehicle is ready. All you have to do is connect this and it starts moving. The simplest of vehicles you could make. Okay, to turn this into a motorcycle, what you could do is use two straws. I'll use similar colored straws. Take two straws and let's cut it somewhere here. Okay. And then you could bend it like this. Okay. Or we could keep it like this, as you like, and then stick it here. So we're gonna put glue gun here. that. So that's it for this.